Overview. Social media is quite popular nowadays, especially among the youth. In fact, a lot of people today are seeking solutions to their problems on the internet, particularly on these social media websites. The popular ones include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, among others. Keep in mind that social media websites are the best way to promote your business or brand. This is because you can find huge audience on these platforms. These sites can help in many ways to grow your brand, although you have to apply certain strategies, such as creating an engaging Facebook page in order to connect to the audience. Outlined below are some of the ways social media can help you promote or grow your brand. 1. Wide range of audience. On social media websites, you can find millions of people from every corner of the world. These websites help you connect with your clients in a very easy way. With the help of your official page, you can reach to maximum audience by regularly updating your business status, hence growing your brand. Whenever you update your brand status, your audience will know what is new in the market and start creating interest on the same. 2. Connect with new or potential customers. Using social media, you are likely to get potential clients. Remember, you need not only to depend on the existing customers, but you need new ones. So, if you use social media as a marketing tool, you are likely to get new customers for your brand. 3. Keeping an eye on competitors. Through social media, you can very easily keep a sharp eye on your competitors. This is because they are also going to advertise on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. That way, you are going to monitor their moves, so you can implement new marketing strategies they do not know. Whenever they try to copy your new strategy, they definitely make mistakes, and therefore you remain unique on that line of business. 4. Cost-efficient way. Social media is an effective yet inexpensive way to promote your brand. This is true because you can create accounts on social media free of charge. In fact, you will not be charged anything by the websites to market your business. 5. Better SEO. Through search engine optimization, you can greatly promote your brand. Social media is another good way of SEO. Through regular posts and tweets, you can improve SEO for your business. This helps in navigating your site and business in major search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and many others. Conclusion. Social media can really help your brand grow enormously. Remember, nowadays people are not only surfing using computers but also using mobile devices such as phones and tablets. If you utilize these free websites pretty well to market your business, your brand will definitely gain quick recognition. Whilst social media isn't a magic trick to generating huge amounts of traffic, it is a great way to instantly tap into your target customers. Almost every niche of person is using social media now, so it can be a great way to beat out your competition and secure customers that they have not addressed yet.